Okay, so today you're going to do some unboxing with me. This is the first time I get a Rolife box, so this is quite exciting. So here we've got the instructions. There's lots to do, as you can see. Here's some electricity, so because the house got light. A little cabinet, the windows. These are plants and plant pots. This is a little picture frame. I'm still figuring out what this is. This is like some kind of cabinet, and the base and some more little things in there. Some glue, paints, some more things, little things you need to cut out, some stickers. I think they're stickers. Anyway, this is some paper you need to cut out and put on the bases. And there's some more paper here as well. And some batteries. Cool.